Hello everyone! Today, I'm thrilled to show you how to make Niagara Falls mashed potatoes, an exciting twist on traditional mashed potatoes that's sure to cascade with flavor. We'll start with 800 grams of potatoes. First, give them a good wash, peel off the skin and chop them into pieces. Then, pop the potato pieces into a pot. Cover them with water and crank the stove up to high. Once it boils, let's turn down the heat to low and set our timer for 20 minutes. While the potatoes are simmering away, let's get our garlic ready. Fresh garlic will give our dish that extra punch of flavor. Now, a little tip. The 20-minute timer is just a guide. I actually use my nose to tell when the potatoes are ready. Once the kitchen fills up with the aroma of cooked potatoes, it's a good sign they're done. Time to add 80 grams of butter. For mashing, we'll use a potato masher, a handy tool for this job. Press and mash until the potatoes break down into a smooth mash. Let's make it creamier. Add half a cup of cream and continue mashing. Now, stir in that fragrant chopped garlic to achieve a super smooth texture. I switched to an immersion blender. It takes some effort to blend everything well. Add 300 grams of mozzarella cheese and keep blending. Trust me, your arm might start to feel the burn. It's like a mini workout. Sneaky taste test time. I take a quick spoonful to judge how much salt and pepper is needed. Blend again until you get that perfect taste and texture. And here we have it. Niagara Falls mashed potatoes. They're beautifully smooth, with a cascade of cheesy goodness in every bite. The garlic and cream bring a richness, while the mozzarella adds a delightful stretchiness to the dish. And don't forget, these Niagara Falls mashed potatoes are best served warm. The moment they're ready, bring them to the table. They are the perfect complement to any meat, enhancing both dishes with their rich, creamy texture and cascading flavors. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and tasty recipes. Happy cooking, and see you next time.